A lot of times with our particular style of shooting, we shoot on our tripod because we travel so much and we want to be able to get photos of the two of us, but we're oftentimes shooting in areas where we have to be quick with the tripod.
Yeah.
And we don't always have the time to set up the photo perfectly. So this photo, for instance,
Great example.
you can see that we had to be really quick. We were in between two trains. So our favorite tool to use on a situation like this, if you come over to edit, is the composition. And what this does is it kind of analyzes the photo for you and picks the ideal way to frame it. And so if you just click this right here, you can see that it crops in a little bit, but it still gives you the freedom to move things around and change the framing. So we just kind of dragged it over a little bit so that we could get rid of this dead space over here and really pull focus back to us in the center. So when we click here, you'll see that it just really brought your eye back to us as the focus.
So if you ever have trouble knowing how to crop something or how to frame the photo, you don't have to worry that much about it, because here in Luminar AI, you can use the Composition AI tool and it will actually decide the optimal way for you.